mixer is a kitchen device that uses a gear-driven mechanism to rotate a set of beaters in a bowl containing food or liquid to be prepared by mixing them either beat, whip, combine, or knead. A decade ago, hand mixer is referred to rotary non-electric egg beaters. Hand mixer is a handheld mixing device, small, lightweight, and packed with parts that work together in a symphony to agitate ingredients in a bowl. Hand mixer basically designed a handle is mounted over an enclosure containing motor. On top of the handle, there are speed control and eject buttons. Speed control provides 5 stages of speed where you can choose whether low or high, while eject button is used to eject the blade. Besides that, it has heat emission hole in front of the mixer. Under the mixer, you can see a blade holder that functions to insert the blade. Usually, it provides 2 types of blade, which are beater or whisk and dough hook. Lastly, the main component is housing. Let's take a look at housing interior components. In housing, there is a motor that drives the beaters, which are immersed in the food to perform the mixing actions. It is also have other components that function to control all parts of hand mixer.
Based on previous tutorial video, we could see that there is 2 different types of mixer blade provided. So, what is the differences between the dough hook type blade and whisk type blade? For dough hook, first, it is suitable for heavier dough such as bread dough. Second, less effort needed as its mechanism mimic kneading by hand. Third, able to stand dough elasticity. And fourth, decrease the overheat and damage to the mixer. Next, for whisk blade type. First, it is suitable for lighter texture such as meringue. Second, it's allowed to whip more air in efficiently without lot effort. Third, it helps to aerate fluffy and light baked goods. And fourth, it can be set on speed and time that allow us to control the end result.
There are 3 types of baking mixer. First, horizontal mixer, commonly used in food industry, because it is capable of making largest amount of dough in shortest time. But this mixer is not ideal for some types of yeast dough due to inability to maintain low temperature. Next is spiral mixer, which can use in many different settings due to its flexibility. Spiral mixer have range of size that can fit many dough output, and it use less electrical power than other mixers. Lastly is planetary mixer. It's commonly used in home kitchen because we can change the wind attachment as needed and mix a range of other substances too. Typically smaller, but certain portion of dough may be undeveloped when mixing level may be uneven.
In closing, a mixer depending on the type, also called a hand mixer or stand mixer, is the kitchen device that uses a gear-driven mechanism to rotate a set of beaters in a bowl containing the food to be prepared by mixing them. In addition, the selection and technique of proper use of mixer is priority in the process of making cake. This is because it will affect the end result of the cake texture.